Today we're making s'mores popcorn. Today we're making s'mores popcorn, and to do that, we use these Honey Grams cereal. We're gonna use 1/3 of a box of this. We're gonna use 1/3 of a bag of mini marshmallows. And we're also gonna use this Glaze Pop product by Gold Medal. This is the chocolate. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna pop in our popcorn popper today. This is a 6-ounce popper. We're gonna pop 6 ounces of popcorn with 3 ounces of oil. And then as it starts to pop, we're gonna add in 3 ounces of this chocolate glaze pop. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle. We're gonna turn on the motor and also the heat and get that heated up. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes. We've already been popping some popcorn today, so the kettle's probably hot already. We'll just give it about a minute and we'll get started. All right, we're gonna put in 3 ounces of oil, 6 ounces of corn. See that motor driving that around, just like that. Close the lid and we'll let that heat up. Down in the description, there's going to be links to all the products we're using here today. When you use this chocolate glaze pop, you're going to use half the amount of kernels for glaze pop. So this is a 6-ounce popper. You're going to use 3 ounces of glaze pop. If you had an 8-ounce popper, you'll use 4 ounces of glaze pop. We are going to take our marshmallows and we're gonna dump them out in the bottom of this popper right here. So about 1/3 of a bag. And we're also gonna add 1/3 of a bag of the golden grapes. Excellent. Now when this pops out, it'll dump right on top of here and we'll get it mixed up. All right, we're starting to pop a little bit. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna add in our 3 ounces of glaze pop. Take a quick look at that, and we're gonna close this up, and we'll let that pop. Oh, that chocolate is smelling so good right now. Chocolate smells so good. We're gonna listen for this, wait for it to slow on the popping, and then we're gonna dump it out. We're moving that chocolate around a little bit on the bottom just to get it all over the marshmallows and the graham crackers. All right, dump that out, turn off our motor and our heat, and now we're gonna mix it up. Right, a nice hot chocolate popcorn with that marshmallow and graham crackers. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how good that looks. Let's take a little bit of it here. Let's give it a try. Get a little piece of the chocolate popcorn. Ooh, it's still hot too. A little bit of the marshmallow, graham cracker there. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so good. All right, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, a marshmallow is starting to melt with that graham cracker and that chocolate. Tastes just like s'mores. That is so good. You can make this yourself in this theater style popcorn popper. So remember to get out there and get popping.